The next topic is temperature rise time curve. In the previous lecture, we have already studied the equation for temperature rise of an electrical machine at any time t. And the equation was theta is equal to theta m into 1 minus e raised to minus t by th if the machine is started from cold conditions. So, from this equation, it is clear that the temperature rises exponentially with respect to time. So, when a machine operates, its temperature increases exponentially with respect to time. So, if we plot the curve between temperature rise and time, it will be an exponentially increasing curve. So, let us draw the curve. So, we have drawn time t along x-axis and temperature rise theta along y-axis. So, as time increases, temperature will initially rise exponentially, and after a long period of time, it finally attains its final steady state temperature theta m. So, this will be the final steady state temperature theta m. It is assumed that the machine will attain this temperature at time is equal to infinity. As the time approaches infinity, the temperature of the machine will reach its final steady state temperature theta m. So, this is the temperature rise time curve. So, now in this equation, let us substitute T is equal to Th. Let us see what will happen when the time instant equals heating time constant of the machine. So, this is equation number 1. Now, substitute T is equal to Th in equation number 1. Then, equation number 1 implies theta is equal to theta m into 1 minus e raised to minus t by th. When t is equal to th, e raised to minus th by th, that is e raised to minus 1. So, while calculating the value of 1 minus e raised to minus 1, we will get it as 0.632. So, the answer will be 0.632 theta m. So, when the time reaches the heating time constant Th, the temperature rise of the machine equals 0.632 times the final steady state temperature. അതായത് നമ്മുടെ ടൈം നമ്മൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുന്ന ടൈം പീരീഡ് മെഷീൻ്റെ ഹീറ്റിംഗ് ടൈം കോൺസ്റ്റന്റിന് ഈക്വൽ ആകുമ്പോൾ മെഷീൻ്റെ ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ എത്ര എത്തും? അതിൻ്റെ ഫൈനൽ സ്റ്റഡി സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ടെമ്പറേച്ചറിൻ്റെ 0.632 ടൈംസ് ആവും ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ. So hence we can define the heating time constant Th as the time taken by the machine for its temperature to reach 0.632 times its final steady state temperature, or the heating time constant of a machine is the time taken by the machine for its temperature to reach 63.2% of its final steady state temperature theta m. ഒരു മെഷീൻ്റെ ഹീറ്റിംഗ് ടൈം കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതിൻ്റെ ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ റൈസ് ചെയ്ത് അതിൻ്റെ ഫൈനൽ സ്റ്റഡി സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ടെമ്പറേച്ചറിൻ്റെ 63.2% എത്താനെടുക്കുന്ന സമയമാണ് അതിൻ്റെ ഹീറ്റിംഗ് ടൈം കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ്. So let us mark heating time constant in this curve. So when T is equal to Th, value of theta is, let this be Th, then theta reaches 0.632 times theta m. So let it be this point. So this is our heating heating curve or temperature rise versus time curve. So now let us check some characteristics of this heating time constant. So while we were deriving the equation for temperature rise, we have substituted Th instead of Gh by S lambda. So in that equation, Th is equal to Gh divided by S lambda. So that means the heating time constant is inversely proportional to the specific heat dissipation lambda. Th is proportional to 1 by lambda, the specific heat dissipation. So in case of well ventilated machines, the value of specific heat dissipation will be very high. അതായത് നല്ലതായിട്ട് വെന്റിലേഷൻ ഉള്ള മെഷീൻസിൽ ഹീറ്റ് ഡിസിപ്പേഷൻ കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും. വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് ലാംഡ വിൽ ബി വെരി ഹൈ. സോ ഇൻ ദാറ്റ് മെഷീൻസ് the heating time constant will be a small value. And similarly in poorly ventilated machines, their specific heat dissipation lambda will be a very small value. So consequently their heating time constant will be very high. അതായത് heating time constant ലാംഡയ്ക്ക് ഇൻവേഴ്സ്ലി പ്രൊപ്പോർഷണൽ ആണ്. ലാംഡ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഹീറ്റ് ഡിസിപ്പേഷൻ. So well ventilated machines heat dissipation കൂടുതലാണ്. So Th heating time constant കുറവായിരിക്കും and vice versa. So now this heating time constant is also directly proportional to the linear dimensions of the machine. The linear dimensions of the machine. So what is the meaning? For larger machines, the value of heating time constant will be very high. And for conventional electrical machines, the value of heating time constant is in between half hour to 3 to 4 hours. Half hour to 3 to 4 hours is the range of heating time constant in conventional electrical machines. So this is all about the temperature rise time curve of an electrical machine.